Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited you're here today because I've got an amazing DIY project lined up for you. Today I'm going to show you how to make an infinite candle wick. That's right, whether you're camping in a survival situation or just looking to impress your friends with a cool project, this is the perfect trick for you. Before we jump in, let's go over the materials you'll need for this project. A steel scrubber, some candle, a heat source like a lighter, a container to hold everything while it cools. All right, let's get started. First, take your steel scrubber and separate a small piece. You don't need too much, just enough to create a wick shape. This steel wick is what will absorb the candle wax and keep the flame going. Now grab your candle and use a knife to cut it into smaller pieces. This will help it melt faster when we heat it up. Using our heat source, carefully melt the candle pieces in the container. Make sure to do this in a well-ventilated area and keep an eye on it. Once the candle wax is fully melted, it's time to pour it into our container. Be super careful here as the wax will be hot. Now positioning our steel wick is crucial. Place it upright in the melted wax and ensure it's stable. This will create a solid base for our infinite wick. Great. Now all we have to do is wait for the wax to cool and harden around the steel wick. This won't take long, just a few minutes. All right, it's time for the moment of truth. Let's light it up. Look at that flame. The steel scrubber absorbs the melted wax and will keep burning, just like magic. This is your infinite wick. This infinite wick is perfect for emergencies, camping, or just a fun DIY project to experiment with. It's a clever trick that adds a whole new dimension to how we use candles. So what do you think? Are you ready to try this at home? If you enjoyed this project, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more fun DIY adventures, and share your experience in the comments below. Stay bright and keep shining. Until next time, happy crafting!